the future of finance today. In this video, I'm going to show you the project Quant and the QNT token, which is behind the Quant network. What is Quant, how the overledger system works, and what is my personal opinion over this project. All these points we're going to discuss in this video. If you like it, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and I would say, let's go. Yeah guys, as I told you, today we're going to talk about Quant. But before we continue, we should ask ourselves, what is Quant and what is the Quant overledger? So Quant is a blockchain-based crypto company which solved the problem of interoperability between blockchain networks. So that means that Quant built a system called the Quant overledger, which allows to use different blockchain networks in the same time. That now seems maybe a bit complicated, but don't worry, I will explain you now in detail. So if we take a look on this picture, it will be maybe become clear to you guys. So this is the Quant overledger, and the Quant overledger is combined with the overledger gateway. So that is the base of Quant, okay? This is the main product of Quant. And on the right side, you can see different blockchain systems. So for example, we have here Ripple, we have the Ethereum blockchain and the Bitcoin blockchain. And on these sides, we have different use cases. For example, payments, data, enterprise integration, and so on. There was now a big problem in the blockchain space. And that was, for example, the Ripple network had a lot of good functions, a lot of advantages against other blockchains, but they were very separate. So they don't allow to share the data with other blockchain technologies. So that means it was very complicated to use as a company more than one blockchain in the infrastructure, in the ecosystem, you know? And this is why Quant released their overledger in 2018. And the overledger is like a bridge between companies and the blockchain technologies. So that means that the blockchains and the, for example, Ripple, Bitcoin, Ethereum blockchains, whatever, they are connected with the overledger. And that means that companies are now able to use all these blockchain technologies in one time. So over the overledger, they are now allowed and they are now able to use, for example, the speedness of the Ripple blockchain and at the same time the safeness of the Bitcoin blockchain. So that means that company will save a lot of money and time with this overledger. So we know now Quant and the overledger, and now I want to take a look here with you on the website, because the website is in my eyes a very nice website here from Quant. So if we scroll down here, we have a lot of information on the homepage. They speak a lot about the projects. Here you can see some points about the financial institutions, the partners, and so on. If we go here, you have all the functions which are solved with the overledger, for example, the payments, the digital currencies, and so on. You have here a lot of new stuff, which is from Quant Daily. So you can daily check out this, for example. Then we have a lot of more stuff here. So just click it by your own. But in my eyes, the Quant website here is very, very good. The Quant website here is available in English. At the top bar here, you can see there are also some points. You can see, for example, who is behind Quant, what are the partners, and so on. What is the use case, how they do it, why they do it, and so on. So if you want to learn more about Quant, you can check the website here. I will put it down in the video description, but for now it will smash the time frame for this video. What we else can take a look now here is the white paper of Quant. So if we take a look here on the table of contents, you can see that there are a lot of informations about the technology. In special here, chapter 2, which is about the overledger, is very interesting, so you can check it out. If you want to learn more about the technology for this video, it would also smash the time frame, but I will definitely put the white paper link here in the video description so you can check it out. Next to this, we come now to the QNT token behind Quant. So the QNT is the token behind the Quant network, and it's not only a token because the QNT token has a use case. So that means, for example, a company is coming and say, okay, I want to use the Quant overledger because I want to use the Ripple blockchain because it's fast. And next to this, they want to use the Bitcoin blockchain because it's very safe. So they can use the overledger, and then Quant say, hey, there's no problem, but you have to pay with QNT. So all the payments in the Quant network, they are with the QNT token. That means QNT is a used currency in this network, and that is a very, very nice use case. Next to this, they use the QNT token for safeness in the network and for development. So all in all, there are a lot of use cases for this token. If we take a look now here on CoinMarketCap, the QNT token is on rank 39, which is in my eyes one big advantage here for Quant, because outside are like 100,000 of crypto projects, and if you ask me, the most of them are like shit. So I will definitely like concentrate myself on the bigger projects in future. So for example, on the top 100 coins, and Quant is here with rank 39, a very good one. Next to this, I think that Quant will long term become with this use case, because the most projects are also without any use case, or the use case is not working. Quant use case is working. And because of this, I think Quant will be long-term a top 10 coin here. So remember my words when Quant is in the top 10 here. Next to this, the watch list of Quant is filled with 254,874 people. So there is a big community, as you can see, behind Quant, and that means a lot of people who are interested in the project, a lot of people will invest in this project. So all in all, this is a good point here for Quant. The price of Quant is right now here on $139. If we take a look here on the chart, Quant is now here, as I told you, on around $140. To our all-time high, we have around the 3x. So we was here at $382. I think after the next halving of Bitcoin in 2024, we will definitely see the all-time high, if not higher than this. So I see a lot of potential here in the chart view. The tokenomics here is like around 12 million QNT. We have now also 83% of QNT in the space. All in all, there are around 40 million. If we take a look on the market cap, we are now here on $1.6 billion. I would think we see a lot of higher numbers here. If we take a look here on the chart, I think that QNT will maybe come back to this area, so around the $130 area, and this is the area where I will buy QNT. So that means in this area I will fill my bags with QNT for the next run here. All in all, guys, Quant and the QNT token is in my eyes a very, very nice project with a lot of potential in future. They have a very nice use case, and the use case is the reason why I see so much potential in this project. They solve such a big problem in the blockchain space. All in all, I think they have a very good and bright future here. The QNT token has a very good future. I think we will break the all-time high all in all. So guys, if you like this kind of video, smash the like button, subscribe this channel. If you have any questions about Quant or whatever, let me know in the comments, and I would say goodbye, guys.